Hello and welcome to this video. We are continuing this advanced series, and you remember in last couple of videos we have actually experimented with Charticulator visual, and we'll continue to do that. And today we'll try these radial kind of visual where we actually have things in a circular manner, and let's try to create something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add one of that visual, and I created a new page, and as usual in Charticulator we are going to use this Charticulator visual. And if you might have remember, some of you might have seen the older videos, we have added this um, from the visuals, additional visuals from the get more visuals, from the gallery of the visuals which are available, the custom visuals. And so you can go ahead and add it. Now what we need here is, I'm going to keep it very simple right now. I need category, and on category I would like to display, let's say, net sales. I can take two of them, I can take even gross, but doesn't matter. Let's start with very simple stuff. So what we are going to do is we are going to do edit. And now this time around, which we have not done in the uh, we have not used this scaffold, and now we are going to use this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it and put it here. I think I have to put it here. Now this will become a polar visual, and now I have to choose a marker, and I'm going to choose the marker which is basically triangle out here. So that I'm going to drag a triangle out here, and now I can decide what shape I want. And now because this visual is basically, we would like to have width to be dependent on this visual, not this one. So first of all we need one color. So some color we need. So we click on the shape, and in the shape I need this width to be controlled by my measure. So I'm going to go ahead and drag it in the width. So now my width is controlled by the measure. And now I go to the color, and in color I'm going to drag category. And there is stroke and opacity, which is also can be controlled, and visibility you can control. We can check all these three. So we got our visual now. Okay, we save it, we go back to the report. And once we come back to the report, that we can add net out here, and we will get that it on tooltip, and the category one will be actually coming by default the moment we start seeing it. Now you will see that this is not very similar to what visual I have. Yeah, I'm going to tell you that also. So I'm going to add brand out here. So now you see. And other than that, actually what I've done in that visual is I actually played around with the shapes and done few things. So that's there. So if you look at this one, which we have done in the past, I actually went ahead and played around with the shape also. So here this one is there. Now we will go ahead and see how can we play around much more with this stuff. So what we can do is, here we have this one, and you can actually go ahead and play around with this one, like making this like this or like this. Okay, so that's all in your hand. So let's make it a bit smaller, and let's save it. Go back to the report, and now you will see it a bit smaller. Okay, so and then you can play around with one more thing. So and this is not the only shape you can get it. You can get other shapes. So what we can do is, quickly we'll go ahead and what we can do is we can duplicate this page, and I'll tell you one easier way. So I'm going to duplicate this page. I got the duplicate page. I'm going to edit this visual, but after edit, what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to use this visual. I'm simply going to say delete. So I'll lose all the plot, whatever things I've done, and I go here and again put into this one polar visual, and you have to click and then you have to drag. This is something very different out here. And let's see, if I want to drag a circle now here, and in the circle again, see, this is what we are getting right now. And what we are going to do out here is, this time around we are going to say the height. We can have height also. Okay, we can say height. So if we say height, this is going to be like this. And now we are going to say category. Okay, so now category is color, and brand definitely we don't want anything, and we can actually have these things checked out, and we save it. Okay, and back to Wix, the report. So what we have done simply is, we went ahead, we just deleted whatever, so at least we don't have to do this configuration. What we can do here is we have this something known as margin, and let's say margin, but typically our margin is pretty consistent. So let me drag it here also, and let me now drag brand also, because brand is the one which you're not going to see here. So let's see. Okay, why we are not seeing margin out here? Okay, because margin is not there in the visual. Let's add a margin out there. Let's see. Okay, so it's need to be part of the visual whether you add it here into tooltip or not, but that's the one thing you have to remember, that it need to be part of that. So this is margin is pretty much in the similar range, but what I was thinking is if I can use margin to either change the width or something. So let's go ahead and close this item, and let's go back to the shape, and let's see if I drag margin to the width. So you will see a little bit of difference which has happened. And then we have this, can we have this? Okay, so you see now some color. So basically one more, I could have decided one more for color and one more for the, you know, how much shade it is there. So I can actually add discount also there, but you know that, you know, you can control opacity and you can actually control the width also. So now we go back and save it. So now what is happening is there is one thing which is controlling the height, there's one thing which is controlling the width, there is one thing which is controlling the color, and there is one more parameter which is controlling how transparent the color is. So many things within the one. And now if you look at this, this is margin, which is not only deciding the width, but this margin is higher, so the color is darker. So go ahead and try this out. Do let us know what else you want us to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.